Alright, good day. Yeah, we came to visit a farm. One of our students. The guy they do well on this one. He's just starting up. He's converting his house. The upper part of his house, converting it to BSF farm. So at least to make use of it for the meantime before he moves to his own permanent site. Since he has a space already now, he doesn't need to start looking for a space. You make use of what you have. So you can start anywhere. Take a look at the places. They've roofed the house already. It's coming here to the bio-pond session. Like he moved the the love net settlement set to the pig side because he has a pig farm and a fish farm. So we want to integrate BSF into it. So this is the pond so far. And that's our man there. And funny enough, he's a man of God. He's a pastor for that matter. He owns a church. That's him. So, sir, how far have you gone? What's your experience so far with your job, with your work?
Believing God that is the sowing time and then the harvest time will soon come.
Yeah.
But it hasn't been too easy. Actually, when I had this idea, and I conceived the idea that I wanted to have this knowledge, and I discovered that my farm there doesn't have enough space. So in order not to leave this place as a waste, since I'm not using it now, it's a 2-bedroom apartment, so I have to convert this place to an aquarium, the other room also. It's cost intensive to an extent, but we won't discourage you, anything good as a beginning. We have done at least 80% of the project.
Yeah.
With this place, we have also built a stage for the love nets.
Okay, so
we're able to procure some nets. I think we're about kicking.
yeah, definitely, that's nice. So we'll move out now. We'll go to the other part of the farm where he has his pig and other things. So we'll see the what's it called? The love net session. Okay. Okay, this is where you store your feed first for fermentation to take place. Okay, that's nice. Okay. This is the insectarium houses now. This is the bed, insectarium bed. So here is the pig farm. These are the pigs. That's pigs. And this one is the fish area. How are you? Yes. So now we are converting this part. We are not converting, we are integrating the maggot fly house into this place, the BSF itself, into this session. While the first session is larva area, the larvarium. So these are the fish. The fish are that big. You gotta be big fish. You gotta be big fish. They don't reach kg. They don't reach kg. Okay. This is a fixed session. Now we're going to be using our maggots for feed. The fish, the pig.
Wisdom. What was the one when born?
Yeah, so that's it. That's that for that. You can contact us any day, anytime, and we're going to deliver you in your own aspects. For Black Soldier Fly, we'll train you accordingly. We'll hold you by your hand, train you from egg to maturity, train you perfectly well how to go about it. Leisure enterprise is got to cover anytime, any day.